Hey guys, so Chris just finally took the kids away to go scootering for like the first time I've been alone in like a week. So I got my wood from Home Depot and I'm going to start a shelf project with DIY Cartel. I'm excited. You guys, this is my life. Like, so I came across another problem. This is like tight. Like I can't even get it off. Chris isn't here because he's with the kids. So I'm just like, whatever. So I'm going to just spray paint it. I mean, it just needs like. All right. So once you know kind of where you want your shelf, you just have to listen to figure out where the studs are, or if you have a stud finder, that's good. But usually like this wall is really easy to tell. Like, you know it's not there because it's super deep, and then as you move over, it gets more and more shallow, and then right there, boom, you can tell right there, that's where the stud is. So if you just, I marked where both of those are, and then next thing you want to know how far down. So we had said it's about 37 inches is where we had marked where we wanted our shelf, and then I marked where the two studs are, so just mark off 37 at that stud, 37 that stud. And so those are the two spots that we will put our DIY Cartel brackets. We'll just center them on there. And then I'll level it out with a level just to make sure once we put the shelf on, and kind of adjust from there. Come here. Okay, what are you going to say? Are you doing a video?